Welcome to Barcelona, a vibrant and enchanting city that will captivate your senses and leave you longing for more. From its awe-inspiring architecture to its delectable cuisine and thriving cultural scene, Barcelona offers an unforgettable experience. For every traveler, get ready to embark on a journey of a lifetime with our exciting and persuasive Barcelona travel guide. Immerse yourself in architectural marvels. Barcelona is renowned for its architectural wonders, most notably the breathtaking Basilica of the Sagrada Família. Gaudí's masterpiece will leave you in awe with its intricate details and towering spires. Don't miss other iconic landmarks like Park Güell and Casa Batlle, which showcase Gaudí's unique artistic style. Stroll down the historic streets of the Gothic Quarter. Step back in time as you wander through the narrow, labyrinthine streets of the Gothic Quarter. This historic neighborhood is a treasure trove of medieval architecture, charming squares, and hidden gems. Lose yourself in its enchanting atmosphere, explore quaint shops, and indulge in delicious tapas at local bars. Soak up the sun at the beaches. Barcelona boasts beautiful sandy beaches that beckon sun-seekers and water enthusiasts. Spend a leisurely day basking in the Mediterranean sunshine at Barceloneta Beach, where you can swim in crystal-clear waters, relax on the golden sand, or enjoy a refreshing cocktail. Relax one of the beachfront bars. Delight your taste buds with Catalan cuisine. Indulge in a culinary adventure by savoring the rich flavors of Catalan cuisine. From traditional tapas to seafood delights, Barcelona offers a diverse range of gastronomic experiences. Don't forget to try the famous paella, fresh seafood at La Boqueria Market, and sip on a glass of refreshing sangria. Dive into art and culture. Barcelona is a cultural hub with an abundance of art galleries, museums, and theaters. Discover the works of Picasso at the Picasso Museum, admire the contemporary art at the MACBA, or catch a flamenco performance that will leave you mesmerized. The city pulsates with creativity at every turn. Experience the electric nightlife. As the sun sets, Barcelona comes alive with a vibrant nightlife scene. Whether you're looking for trendy rooftop bars, lively clubs, or cozy jazz lounges, the city has it all. Join the locals in the trendy neighborhood of El Raval, or head to the glamorous beach clubs for an unforgettable night out. Day trip to Montserrat. Escape the bustling city and venture into the serene mountains of Montserrat. Just a short train ride away, this natural wonder offers breathtaking views, a historic monastery, and hiking trails for outdoor enthusiasts. Feel the tranquility of the surroundings and soak in the spiritual atmosphere. Barcelona is a city that will enchant and inspire you with its rich history, vibrant culture, and unparalleled beauty. Prepare to be swept away by its charm and charisma. Whether you're a history buff, food lover, art enthusiast, or partygoer, Barcelona promises an adventure that will leave you with memories to cherish for a lifetime. Get ready to fall in love with the magic of Barcelona.